How to fix Roblox memory warning on iPad. So if you're getting a memory warning on your Roblox, it usually means the device is running out of RAM. So first, you could start by closing up all the background apps like so. So get rid of those and that and whatever. And you could double tap the home button or you could swipe up to do that. Of course, except Roblox. Then you could restart your iPad to free up memory. Another option is to go directly into a Roblox game and then go ahead into your settings and then go to your graphics. Your graphics will be found right here. It's on automatic in my case, but if you'd like, you can go ahead and put in manual and just put it on the lowest option possible. Anyways, once you've done that, you can drag it to the lowest level, and this could reduce the load and help prevent crashes or warnings. If the issue does continue, you can make sure your iPad has enough space or storage. You can find it directly into your iPad settings, and then just go ahead to your iPad storage, of course. You can take a look at the stuff that you don't need. Maybe you can get rid of those or unload some apps if you'd like. But anyways, since older iPads may struggle with newer Roblox updates, you could try avoiding heavy or high detail games and stick to some lighter experiences. But again, just keeping your iPad OS updated can also help with performance improvements, but in short, reduce your background usage and lower your graphics, probably one of the most effective options you have to fix those memory warnings. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's